Hey fellow foodies! I have to share all the delicious things we indulged on during our recent trip to Magic Kingdom. If you're like me, finding those must-eat treats is like part of the whole Disney experience, right? So let me give you the rundown of the yummiest things we tried. Do not skip these. Welcome to the Smart Moms Plan Disney Travel Channel, where we ask the question, why plan alone? First up, we usually start the day with a quick snack from the Cheshire Cat Cafe. The kids are obsessed with the Cheshire Cattail. It's like this flaky pastry filled with chocolate. It's super fun to eat and not too heavy. Great for a sweet treat. Then, the top choice for lunch, or really any other snack time of the day, is Casey's Corner. Now, if you haven't had the corn dog nuggets here, you are seriously missing out. They are the perfect snack for when you need something savory, but quick. I got them with fries, and we all ended up sharing them because they were just too good, honestly. They're perfect for when the kids need a break, but you don't really want to stop for a full meal. And here's a pro tip. You have to get the frozen mint julep as well. It's just a must-have drink. And of course, we couldn't pass up a stop at Aloha Isle and Adventureland. We got the classic Dole Whip floats, and they were so refreshing. That sweet pineapple soft serve floating in pineapple juice, it's like summer in a cup. And if you're hot from running around the park, this is the treat to cool you down. Now, if you're craving something a little different, head to the Adventureland Spring Roll Cart. We tried the Cheeseburger spring rolls and oh my gosh, game changer. Imagine all the flavors of a cheeseburger wrapped in a crispy fried roll. You get 2, but honestly, I could have eaten about 6. They're that good. Over at Sunshine Tree Terrace, we went for the citrus swirl. That tangy orange soft serve swirled with vanilla ice cream. It's like the Dole Whip's citrusy cousin, and let me tell you, just as delicious. So moms, if you're heading to Magic Kingdom, these are all the treats that you can't miss. Your taste buds are gonna thank you, and your kids will too.